Welcome to the batch upload tutorial for placement deans on TaleGlobal. In this video, we'll show you how to upload student data in bulk. To begin, log into your TaleGlobal account and select Batch Upload from the side panel. Here you can download the sample data file to understand the required format for student records. Once your file has been prepared in the correct format, scroll down to the Configuration and Details section. Enter the course name, university name, and batch year. Next, upload your student data file using the upload option provided. After verifying the details, click on Upload Dataset located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Your batch data has now been submitted successfully. To track uploaded batches, select Batch History from the side panel. Here you can view all previously uploaded batches along with their current status, including pending, approved, or rejected. Once a batch is approved, the student records will automatically become visible in the Students Directory section on the side panel. And that's it. Thank you for watching.